So we have started with module 4. In module 4, as I have said, there are two sections. First one is time division switching and the second one is switching system software. So this time division switching, the content is there in JE flood text, whereas switching system software, it is present in Sayyadar Ali. In the last class, we have just went through what is space switch and what is time switch. Yes. So these all things have been covered. This is the space switch. The working of the space switch is being delivered. The working of the time switch is also being delivered. Yes, how time switch works, there are two types. One is time slot interchanger and the other one is a high speed bus. As I have said that this is not there in your syllabus, but I have explained it so that you can understand the working of this particular time switch in a better way. So I'll just brief it out one more time because further when you are going for the combination, you need to understand it. Say there are two parts in case of time switch. Yes, in the last class I have just said what are those. So in order to go for a time switch, you have two types of stores. One is the speech store and the other one is the connection store. So this particular is a speech store wherein the data whatever is sent, whatever the transmitter is sending will be stored in this particular speech store. Say whatever is the data, it is entering in a cyclic way and it is written in a cyclic way in this particular speech code. Say the data value, for instance, if I am considering it to be as say ABC. Yes, let me consider A is the data that has been sent. So that A is stored at this particular location X. Now this address, that is the speech store address where the data is present, this X will be present in the connection store. Yes, here. If Y is representing the address as X, where X is having the data that has been sent from the input highway line. Now when we want to transmit it from this particular connection store, Y will give the address and that address is of a speech store. That address indicates the data. So whenever that is being said, okay, Y, it says that the location is X from a speech store where the data has to be transmitted. So the X, it points to X, and whatever data is there here, it will be sending it over a PCM highway line. So this is the working of the time switch. Now coming to the combination of both the switches. First one is space time space switching network. So this particular is a space switch. This is the time switch, and again here is a space switch. So whatever is the working of the space switch, it is with respect to a cross point connection. Yes, if I am speaking of a time switch, then it means that either it is a time slot interchanger or say the high speed bus. So whenever there are M incoming highway lines and here there are M outgoing highway lines. So these M incoming highway lines will be connected to K cross points, nothing but K links. There are K number of time switches and M number of incoming highway lines. So you will have a total cross point of M cross K. Yes, so these are the total number of cross points in A switch, wherein this entire A switch is nothing but a space switch. And here whatever you are having is a time switch. And similarly across the C switch, you are having K links connected to M outgoing lines. So there are K cross M cross points. To make any connection between the time slot X of an incoming highway and with respect to a time slot Y. Whatever I have explained it here with respect to X and Y, the same thing holds here in case of time switch. So whenever you want to make a connection between the time slot X of an incoming highway and the time slot Y of an outgoing highway, it is very much necessary to have a link. Yes, wherein time switches are k number of time switches which are providing the link. So whenever this connection is being made, the whatever is the incoming data that will be transmitted to the outgoing highway line. Yes, this is with respect to space time space switch, wherein you are having A and C are the space switch, which are nothing but the cross points, and time switch is nothing but there are k number of time switches. Now coming to the next part, that is time space time switch, TST switch. So here there are time switches. Similarly, here also there are time switches. There are m incoming highway lines. It means that there will be total m number of time switches. M outgoing highway lines, it means totally there are m time switches for the outgoing highways. And what will be the total number of cross points across the B switch? It will be m cross m. Yes, because these are the time number of time switches that are present. So this B switch is nothing but the cross points. Yes, nothing but the space switch. So in order to make a connection between, say, the time slot X of a incoming to a time slot Y of a outgoing, it means whatever intermediate time slot we are considering, let we consider it as a Z. So incoming is across X. So this changes the time slot at Y. And this will be appearing across the input of this particular time switch, that is at time slot Z here. And finally, it is changed to a time slot Y. In the previous class, I had just explained, right, how the time changes when you are considering with respect to a time slot interchanger. So there is something called as a control unit, and that control unit will specify what is the input data occurring at what time slot has to reach the output at which particular time slot. So here we are considering that the data is occurring at X time slot. So based upon the control unit which is there in the time switch, that is specifying at some time slot, say Z. So based upon the cross point connection, it is connected and it is across this particular time switch. Yes. So here the instant is Z. And finally, the time slot that has occurred at the output is nothing but time slot Y. So basically what we did do, the time slot X is passed to a time slot Y, wherein intermediate time slot we are considering it to be as a time slot Z. This is TST switch, time space time switch. So similarly, we can go for combination of 4, say time space space time, nothing but TSST, or say with the previous one STTS, space time time space switch. So any combinations can be gone depending upon the flexibility of the exchange, or say depending upon the traffic that is there in the network.